Hello, good day everybody. Welcome back to my daily tech in, and today we met again with another tangible and very important question. It's one of the questions we usually have in coming out in SSCE, and this question comes from trigonometric problems, trigonometry generally. Graph of trigonometric function. And this question is question number 12 of the SSCE, that is WAEC 2004. I'm going to sketch I'm going to demonstrate or carry out some tutorials step by step to explain how this question is to be. But it's amazing, that is something that will surprise you at the end of this solution. So I want you to stick around, spin around me until you reach to the end of this video so that you'll be amazed at the end. It's very easy and simple. For those of you who are having problems, issues with trigonometric functions, you'll get to know the real way of doing this very thing. It's very, very simple and straightforward. So let's see how we can, let's check the question. But before then, please help me subscribe, touch the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload any content. Thank you. So they said we should copy and complete the table of values of the function y equals to 4 cos 2x, for which 0 degree is less than or equals to x, less than or equals to 180 degrees. And the table is like, we have x in degrees 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. In each case, we ask to complete the table. Now we are not given anything here, so we need to complete it. How do we do it? We should just, let me complete it here. But before then, they said in Roman figure 2, using a scale of 2 centimeters to 30 degrees on x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units, on y-axis, draw the graph of the function at this, range. Now let's see how we can complete the table around here that we use here to plot our graph. How do we do it? We write solution in the beginning. After writing the solution, we draw our table. Or let me just use freehand. Now we take it this way. This is our table. Assume this is it. Now this is our x, this is our y. The first value of the x is 0. This is in degree. So we have 0 and we have 30. Increased by 30 to 60. We have 90. We have 120. We have 150. And we have 180 degrees. Now these are the values of the x. Let's proceed and find the value of y using the equation. The equation is y equals to 4 cos 2x. Remember, when x equal to 0, then what happened to y? Y will be equals to 4 cos 2 times 0, which is 4 cos 0, and this is 4 times 1 equals to 4. Automatically here is 4. Simply. Next is when the angle is 30 degree. So when the angle is 30 degree, let's see what's going to happen for the x and for the y. We have y equals to 4 cos 2x, and this is 4 cos 2 times 30, and this is 4 cos 60, and this is 4 times cos 60 is 1 over 2, and this is 2, because 4 times 1 over 2 is 2. So here it's going to be 2. Next is just 60 degree, cos 60, and or let me say when the theta or when the x is 60, what's going to happen? Let's see. We find the value of y as y equals to 4 cos 2x, and this is 4 times cos 2 times 60, and this is 4 times cos 120, and this is 4 times cos 120 is minus 1 over 2, which is minus 2. So this place is minus 2. As simple as that. Next is when the theta or when the x is 90. When the x is 90, we're gonna have, that is 90 times 2 is going to be 180. Then we now see, and so forth. When x equals to 90, we have y equals to 4 cos 2 times 90, and this is 4 times cos 180. This is 4 times cos 180 is minus 1. and this is equals to minus 4. So here is going to be minus 4. So after this, we check and see when x is 120. As x equals to 120, we have our equation as y equals to 4 cos 2x, which is 4 times cos 2 times 120. This is 4 cos 240, and cos 240, 240 I think is minus 1 over 2. Yes, 240 is minus 1 over 2, and this is minus 2. Actually here is minus 2. So from here we have when x is 150. When x is 150, 1x is 150, 1x is 150, 1x is 150. So we're gonna have as x equals to 150, y equals to 4 cos 2x, remember, which is times 150. This is 4 cos 300 equals to 4 times cos 300 I think is 1 over 2, and this is equals to 2. 4 times 1 over 2 is 2, so we have 2 here. Subsequently to the next and the last. The next and the last. The last one is when x equals to 180. We have y equals to 4 cos 2 times 180. This is 4 times cos 360, and this is 4 cos 360 I think is 1, and this is equals to 4. So here it's going to be 4. Now we finish finding our table as it's expected. Now our table is now complete. Let's use this value to plot our graph around here. But remember, they said we should use 2 centimeters to 30 degrees on the x-axis, while 2 centimeters to 2 units on y-axis. So let's see what's going to happen. Now we are to draw our x-axis to be this way, like to be this way. I just decided to do it this way because I think it's very much favorable. Now that's it. So let's draw our y-axis around here. Our y-axis should be around here. Now remember, this is positive y, this is negative y, and this is our x. Remember, and this is our origin, which is 0, 0. Now they say 2 centimeters to 30 units along x-axis. So when we have this from here to here is 2, making 30. Here is making 60. Here is 90. Here is 120. Here is 150, and here is 180. We finished. Because the highest value is 180. You can stop at 210 if you like. But so from here to here we need 4, because the highest value I think is just 4 and minus 4. Up should be 4, down should be minus 4. But 2 centimeters to 2 units. So that means we have 2 centimeters to 2 units. So here is 2, here is 4. Then this place is minus 2, this place is minus 4. Now this is our axis. From here we start plotting. When x is 0, y is 4. X is 0, y is 4 here. When x is 30, y is 2. X is 30, y is 2. They made wrong here, I think, if I'm not mistaken. From here to here, a regular rectangular box is formed, showing that this point is correct. Then next, when x is 30, y is minus 2. When x is 60, y is minus 2. 60 is here, minus 2 is going to be here. So this is where the point of the intersection. So from here, when x is 90, y is minus 4. 90 is here, minus 4 is going to be here. So I think they made around here. So that is the point of intersection. So when x is 120, y is minus 2. Minus 2 is 2 here, and this is your 120. So I made here. So again, when x is 150, y is 2. X is 150, y is 2. Now this is where we expect them to be intersected. So when x is 180, y is 4. X is 180, 4 is here. So the net here. So I think we finished plotting our points. We now use sense and draw a smooth curve. Now this is the curve of the equation. Y equals to 4 cos 2x. Now this is, if here is Roman figure 1, this is Roman figure 1, this is Roman figure 2. Now we came to the end of the question. So because they say we should just plot the graph of this, and this is the graph. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, please consider it like, share, comment with your observation. And if you know somebody who is in need of this type of content, please refer the person to my page, to my channel, so that you can have a lot of ideas here related to WAEC, NECO, JAMB, possibility ME, and so on and so forth. I'm treating and solving problems related, so feel free to relate with me and my channel. I always update content here. My channel is the right place for people like you and people who are in need of academics. Thank you and have a nice day.